McClure. It's a lovely ball from McClure. Silver's been flagged for offside.
Danko bafowethu, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Bafowethu, sizokhuluma Kaizer Chiefs. Please like, comment, share, subscribe so that the channel can grow. Bafowethu, zikhona indaba eziphumayo ukuthi uDupreez bafowethu uyahamba. Dupreez amaplayer awu-3 ahambayo. uDupreez, uDuba, Frosler, ukhona omunye futhi owesi-4 ohambayo bengakamtholi kahle ukuthi ubani. Ayikaqondi nje indaba yakhona ukuthi ubani lo ohambayo omunye, but le 3 lena isendleleni. Omunye ngathi uModi naye ngathi uyahamba, akakacaci kahle ukuthi uyaphi uModi kwenzakalani. But I would say yes, especially uFrosler bafethu. uFrosler, I think, I know he has done a lot for Kaizer Chiefs, but now there's nothing for him there in Kaizer Chiefs. I think he has to go now. Ashiyele nje abo Monyane or Solomons bayenza umsebenzi wabo bafethu because of I think ahambe ayodlalela nje amanye ama-team azokhona ukuthola kahle i-game time. Bese Wandile Duba naye, I think he has to go ukuthi ayethole i-experience noma bengamlona Wandile Duba bengamdayisi. I think it will be good for him as well to get more game time and the experience. Because of Wandile Duba, since kwahamba uNapi, ngathi uNapi wahamba ne-football yakhe. So I don't think it's good enough for Kaizer Chiefs. Umuntu onenhliziyo encane bafethu, akufuneki umuntu odubayo njengegama lakhe ukuthi Duba. Kufuneka umuntu onesibindi. And then hayi uDupreez bafethu, hawu ngeke. Amagoli esewagejile, hhayi ngeke. Uye umuntu nje naye kumele adayiswe-ke lona. Mhlawumbe singathola amanye amaplayer angakhona ukuyimisela kangcono ukudlula yena ngoba hhayi bamzamile several games but still akuhlangani lutho. Uzondlula nje nala maplayer angenayo, even noBatman naye uthe uma efika naye wenza umehluko ukudlula yena uDupreez bafethu. Even nakude Silva nalomjida lona iGodaro akasondeli ngisho nakancane bafethu ngendlela adlala ngayo. Amajida ayadlala lawo mabili.